So a little bit ago, where is it? Oh. There we go. A moment ago, I filmed sharpening my hoe here. And this is how sharp it should be. Just to be able to put it in there and cut. You know, you should just be able to drag your hoe across the ground and cut all the weeds. Easy as that. And then, you know, you need to dig down too. Yeah, gotta dig. But it should be that easy. If you gotta put power into it, it is not sharp enough. Yep. Can you see over there? Yeah, you can. Good. Get all these right behind the camera. And then, now I sharpen the corners here so I can get real precise. This one here, I just want to take this weed out here. It's gone. Nothing else. A bit of grass there next to it. Gone. Nothing else. Yep. Okay. Sharp tools are good tools, or better tools. And this is miles sharper than a factory finish, by far. In fact, this is sharper than I've seen a number of factory finishes on knives. So, yep. Keep them sharp and they'll treat you well. Wait. I'm going to sharpen my hoe up real good so it's functional. First things first is get it off the stick. I made this one for just a pressure fit, so hopefully it won't be too hard. We gotta clean it up. Okay. Old vices like this are real good for clobbering yourself with. Okay. Get a little hammer. A little riveting hammer. I know. I'm sure this is a riveting video. Ha 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 ha. I actually plan on making a video about rivets. See, nice taper on there. And that's for poking holes in the ground and dropping seeds in, or just standing it in the ground. All right, now, noisemaker. Okay. We're gonna clean the dirt off it. Deal with your loose sleeve if you have one. The cleaner the better, because then it travels through the dirt better. Less resistance. Okay. Back over here to Mr. Weiss. Alright, I'm gonna set it up. Hopefully you can see what's going on. I need to move you all together, I think. Nah, you'll be okay. Okay, so where's my camera? So you see there's a beveled edge on there? We're trying to sharpen that up. It is pretty sharp. This is already far sharper than you're going to find in the store. Oh, and then I also sharpened these at the sides so we can dig with the corner real good. That helps you get real precise. So yeah, sharp tools are good tools. And no, I gotta do it this way. Alright. Now, I've cut myself more times than I can count doing things like this. Gloves are good. Now, I like to start with a pretty coarse file. Focus. Yeah, pretty coarse file. No idea what you can see, or if that helps. You want to try and keep a consistent edge with what's there. Which I see I didn't do a very good job last time. You could do this with a grinder, but I prefer file. Getting there. Okay, and the edges. Now we're looking for an improvement, not perfection. Ooh, I hit a rock there. Okay, now we want a finer file. Oh, where'd my nice fine file go? Well, maybe this is all we're doing today. Huh? There's a handle. There's a file handle. Without a file. Okay. This is probably all we're going to get done today. So, then, now, like I said, I like to do 2 files. A coarse and a fine. So, under here, it's likely we've developed a bit of a burr, so I like to put this flat across the turn it so you can see what I'm doing. So this is to eliminate the burr that's going to be inside here. Oh yeah, you can see a big one right there. That occurs when sharpening. So I put it so the end is in here. And I just bring it to resting on this edge. And drag it across. Oh, that's a big one. Because we want a good beveled edge. Plenty sharp now. A lot sharper than it was. So yeah, see all the dirt and grimes off of there now? If you're real clever, you'd find a way to really get all that rust off. Probably a lot more time with the wire brush will do it. But this is good enough. I'm going to just put it back on our, get over here where you can see good. Put it back on our stick. Okay, now this stick is not straight with the world, so I'm going to hold it like I want it lined up. Line it up. Alright. And then when I find a bit of cement or something on my way back to the garden, I'll knock it a couple of times and that'll set it. Alright. That's all. How to sharpen your hoe.